Hello, Anna.
Oh, hello, Ben. How are you?
I am good. Thank you. And you?
I am great, thank you. It is a beautiful day.
Yes, it is a sunny day.
Would you like to sit down?
Yes, please. Thank you.
How is your family?
My family is good. My wife is well. And my daughter, she is happy.
That is wonderful. My brother is visiting me today.
Oh, your brother is visiting?
Yes, he is coming at 3 o'clock. We will drink coffee.
That sounds nice. My family will go to the market later.
The market? What will you buy?
We will buy fruits and vegetables.
Apples and bananas?
Yes, apples and bananas and carrots.
Ben, what do you like to do?
I like to walk. I walk in the park and I like to cook.
You cook? That is great. What do you cook?
I cook simple food. I cook soup and rice.
I like to cook too. I also like to read books.
You are reading a book now?
Yes, this book is very interesting.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch movies on TV. Do you watch movies?
Sometimes I watch movies with my daughter.
Ben, do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee very much.
Would you like to drink coffee with me and my brother?
Today,
No, not today. Next week on Monday?
Monday, let me think. Yes, okay, on Monday.
Good. Let's meet at the cafe. The cafe near the market.
The Blue Cafe,
Yes, the Blue Cafe at 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock on Monday at the Blue Cafe. Yes, I will come.
Excellent.
Oh, it is 2:30. I need to go home.
Okay. It was nice to talk to you, Ben.
It was nice to talk to you too, Anna. Thank you.
See you on Monday.
See you on Monday. Goodbye.
Goodbye.